Okay, you guys, welcome back to my show today. Today I went to Walmart. I got the dual engine destroyer finally. This is a unique casting. People already know it, but I'll just say it. Anyway, here's the back. All I need is Hot Wheels Fire Department and Police Rescue to know with this case. Name, dual engine destroyer, truck type, semi-truck, strength, rumbling racer, crash type, Revy to rumble, dual engine destroyer, X-Racer. That is cool. Right? And the unique thing, guys, you already know, but takes me back to the Monster Jam days of Hot Wheels. Okay, now, I'm just going to say, we all know, it's an actual plastic body with a real metal base. Hot Wheels has not done a metal base in years, since 2003. I mean, this is a unique truck. See, it's a plastic body. It's a dual engine destroyer, Hot Wheels, X-Racer. X-Racing thing. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, the engine in the back. The yellowish windshield, gray insert. I love the teal clear white roll cage, the chrome metal base is such a different bolt too. Orange rims and beadlocks, Hot Wheels on the tires. There's a front on the grill, no printing. Top of it. This is a really nice truck. I love this one. I'm glad I have it in my collection already. And of course, heavy, of course, with metal base. So hopefully Hot Wheels continues to bring metal bases with plastic bodies. Hopefully like they used to in the old days. Oh, this reminds me so much of the X-Racers they made Hot Wheels Monster Jam. I missed the Hot Wheels Monster Jam license. So that's all I bought today. I'm going to go buy some more tomorrow if there's any more ones that I want. Like, subscribe, comment. Oh, this little logo here, I'll show you that. Right there, the little taillights. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you have more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoy. Go pick this up. I recommend this truck, guys.